Okay, now let's continue. Let's see how to spell these words. Vamos a ver cómo se deletrean estas palabras, okay? Orange, orange. Let's spell. Vamos a deletrear. O R A N G E. Excellent. Number 2. Peace. P E A S. Very good. Now, number 3. Hot dog. Hot dog. Let's continue. H O T D O G. Very good. Number 4. A delicious pizza. Okay. P I. Remember I Z double Z. Yeah. Double Z A. Excellent. You did very good. Okay, now let's continue. Ta-da! Okay, second part. Oh, we have 4 new pictures. Okay, tenemos 4 imágenes nuevas. Number 1. Apple. Repeat after me. Apple. A double P L E. Remember, huh? Next. Hamburger. Hamburger. H A M B U R G E R. Very good. Next. Delicious French fries. Repeat. French fries. F R E N C H. F R I E S. And finally we have a healthy carrot. Tenemos una zanahoria muy saludable. Carrot. C A double R O T. Very good. Excellent. Okay, now it's your turn. Ahora es tu turno. How do you spell carrot? Okay. Very good. A or I? A. Excellent. Yes. Double R. Very good. Oh, very good. And T. Very good. Next word. P. Excellent. A or E? A or E? E. Very good. In English. E. Huh? A. Excellent. And S. Excellent, kids. The last word. La última. The last one. H. O. Yes. T. Well done. D. O. G. Excellent. You did very well. Very good, kids. Excellent. Excellent. Now, I would like to listen to your voice, okay? Record your voice and I'm gonna listen. Vas a grabarte. You're gonna choose any words, okay? Vas a coger una de las palabras y tú vas a deletrearlas, ok. Luego me envías tu grabación para poder aplaudirte. Excellent. I'm gonna give you a big clap. Ok, that was all for today. Eso ha sido todo por ahora, chicos. Sigan repasando y vean el video, ok. Bye bye. See you, Miss Margot. Bye bye, Little Star. Bye bye.